So today I'm going to show you how you can take basically any stock template and turn it into a completely different style really quickly. I already found a template I want to start with, and honestly, when choosing one, I'm mostly looking at the structure and the overall layout more than the actual style. First, I'm just going to remove a few things and move some elements around a bit for the new layout for a save the date design. Now, I want the layout to feel a little cleaner, so I'm moving the text more toward the center. And this is honestly where a lot of the transformation happens. Even small layout changes can make a template feel completely different by the end. You definitely do not need to be a graphic designer for this part. And I'm also going to change this font to something a bit thinner and more elegant. Usually I just test a few options until something feels right visually. Sometimes the smallest font change makes the whole template feel way different. Now I'm making everything a bit bigger and making sure everything feels nicely centered. We'll move this paragraph around a bit too and change the wording so it fits the new design better and feels more cohesive with the overall style. And of course, I'm just centering everything again so the whole layout feels balanced and polished. I'm taking my time here to make sure the text looks exactly how I want it. And honestly, this is pretty normal during the design process. You can always go back and forth with spacing, sizing, and positioning until everything feels right visually. And now, probably the biggest transformation, the colors. You can already see how different the whole design feels. Changing the color palette is honestly one of the fastest ways to make a stock template feel unique and more on trend. Just making some final edits here and adjusting a few small details. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more template design ideas and customization tutorials. And I'd love to know, what part of a template do you think makes the biggest difference when transforming a design? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.